How to add Sweatcoins to Sweet Wallet. First, you have to log into your Sweatcoin account in your Sweatcoin app, and then you just need to click on the balance at the top right corner. Then from this page, you will find the balance, whole balance, and the overview of your Sweatcoin account. And make sure that your Sweetcoin account is connected with your Sweet Wallet account. To make sure that your both account is linked with each other. For this, you just need to click on Sweet here, and if you are redirected to your Sweet Wallet account, and that's mean your Sweetcoin account is linked with your Sweet Wallet, and Sweetcoin can't be added or transferred manually from your Sweetcoin to Sweet Wallet. It transfers or adds Sweetcoin to your Sweet Wallet automatically. You can convert your step into your Sweetcoins, and here you can see the transaction that I have earned from my steps. There is all transaction details. The Sweetcoins will automatically added or transferred to your Sweet Wallet account. You just need to make sure that you have enough Sweetcoins available in your Sweetcoin account, and then Sweet Wallet will automatically add the Sweetcoin in your Sweet Wallet account. So, hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.